This is the on-ramp, a tray-style hitch-mounted bike rack with an integrated ramp. It's available in either a 2-inch or 1 1/4 inch size hitch receiver depending on your vehicle. The on-ramp blends simple, efficient design with secure performance for a no-compromise rack. That means you can carry just about anything from e-bikes to comfort bikes, road bikes, bikes with fenders, to mountain bikes with tires up to 3.25 inches wide. Got a fat bike? The Fat Strap Kit, sold separately, allows you to carry up to 27.5 by 4.5 inch wide tires. And of course, the integrated ramp lets you roll your ride right into place without the heavy lifting, and stows conveniently when not in use. And its 2-bike capacity allows you to carry bikes up to 66 pounds each, so you can leave the battery on the bike and hit the road. Now let's get this rack installed. First step is to fit the tongue into the bike rack. Align the holes indicated on the rack to the holes in the tongue while pulling the knob out. Then release the knob so that it seats in the hole. Now secure the tongue to the bike rack with the 1/2 inch hardware in this order. And use the 2 included 19mm wrenches to tighten the assembly up. Time to become one with your vehicle. Lift the rack and insert the tongue into the hitch receiver. The hole in the tongue needs to align with the hole in the receiver. If you can see light through it, you're doing it right. Once the holes are aligned, install the hitch bolt with the lock washer like this. And use the 24mm wrench to tighten the hitch bolt completely. Remember, attachment hardware can loosen over time, so make sure to check it before each use and tighten the bolts if necessary. Next, fold the on-ramp down by pulling the release knob and opening the rack into the down position. Then insert the pull pin and we can get ready to load. First, adjust the bike trays for proper bike-to-bike spacing by loosening the tray knobs, then sliding the trays into place. Now tighten the knobs firmly so they are secure. To prepare the ramp for loading, connect the ramp into the end of the tray. The ramp has a pair of hooks that fit into either end of both trays. Ready to load? Slightly loosen the stabilizer knobs at the mast and rotate them out of the way and unhook the straps. Then, just roll your bike up the ramp and center it on the tray. Remember to load the largest bike on the inside tray closest to the vehicle. You can load your bikes facing the same or opposite directions. Safety tip: don't use the bike's electric power to load your bike onto the ramp. Now that your bike is on the rack, it needs to be secured. First, loosen the knob and adjust the height of the stabilizer. Then, rotate the stabilizer toward the bike and adjust its position so it engages with either the bike frame or the seat post. Thread the strap around the bike frame or seat post and through the buckle, then position the pad to protect your bike. Now, pull on the free end to tighten the strap into place. Once you've got the position dialed, turn the stabilizer knob to tighten it all up. Now, onto the wheels. Route the strap through the wheels, rotating them as necessary so there is no interference with the spokes. The straps must be at a 45-degree angle. If you need to adjust the angle of the strap, use a 10mm wrench to loosen this bolt. Once loosened, you can reposition the strap and tighten it all back up. Insert the strap end into the buckle, then pull on the free end to tighten them in place. If you need to carry a fat bike, you'll need to install the on-ramp fat bike kit, which is sold separately. First, remove the wheel straps by loosening this bolt with the 10mm wrench, slide the standard wheel straps out of the tray, and replace it with the fat straps. Once positioned correctly, tighten it up, and you're good to go. Once the bikes are loaded and the ramp is not in use, secure it to the on-ramp here with this knob and tighten completely. If you need to tilt the rack out of the way for rear vehicle entry, grab a friend to help support the load. Have one person remove the safety pin and the pull pin while the other supports the load and carefully lowers the rack forward. Practice safe racks. The last thing to do is lock everything up with the included cable. Route the cable through the bikes and press the locking end onto the hitch bolt like this. Now you're ready to ramp up the fun factor and take your on-ramp on the road. Wherever you're taking it, remember to take it easy.